Hey guys, this is gonna be one short video about setting up your multiple routers or switches, whatever. Maybe it's in your office or maybe in your second room of your house. Why you need more routers? Maybe you got this one in your main room, maybe a living room, and you got Wi-Fi. But when you go to your bedroom, you don't have Wi-Fi there, so you consider taking something like this to have Wi-Fi also there. Okay, it's doable, but you have to know how to set this up. So very easy. If you put main line of internet in this router, let's assume this is your existing router and you bring a new one. So how to plug it in? These ports, they look like same. This one says 1. Also, like this is saying internet, it's the same thing. If this is main line of internet coming in your router, you can exiting through the Wi-Fi and exiting through these. This can be plugged into your computers, and this, let's say, is going to another router. So if you put it here, you're gonna have working it. He will get some Wi-Fi working, and your computers are working, but can be very messy, and it can make IP conflicts. So the rule is, as here, entering internet, it has to go to the blue one, exiting wherever, but for this one, this is entering internet. So you have to put this one here where is entering. If you put it here, you're gonna get problems, trust me. But if you put it here, router will know it's entering internet and it will act it like that. Very simple, very easy. Just always internet that is coming to your router has to be plugged here. There are some routers without this blue one, but they usually got a small one. It's from the telephone line. They also got Wi-Fi transmitting, and you said, okay, I'm gonna try here. It can work, but eventually it won't work. So you're gonna have to reset this or this one or whatever. So please keep in mind. In a blue one, maybe it's a red one. So just entering internet always in this one, exiting from these ones. But on the second router, you can do entering internet, and this is exits for maybe another router. If you put it in a switch and to another computers, it will work. It doesn't have problem because it doesn't have Wi-Fi, it doesn't transmitting anything, it's just splitting this. But if you are setting it to another router, you got some processes to do. Router will know it's entering internet and will send this Wi-Fi to your maybe laptops or phones or whatever, and you will have no IP conflicts. If this was useful to you, please leave a comment, leave a like, so other people can know about it. Thank you for watching, and see you another time.